This is the story of a poor farmer and his son. The farmer was living in a small village with his three sons. The farmer was working very hard and was taking care of his children. His children did not have unity among themselves. It was being difficult for farmer to take care of his children as he was being weaker and older. He was not able to work effectively. His sons did not have unity among themselves. Most of the time they used to quarrel among themselves. They were not capable of doing any work. The farmer used to advise his son not to quarrel among themselves, but they didn't used to listen him and they used to ignore him. Farmer used to be disappointed. Farmer used to think that he might have lacked to nurture his children properly. One day the farmer fell seriously ill. He was taken to the hospital for treatment. In spite of treatment, there was no sign of improvement. The farmer knew that the end was near. He was worried about his children, so he thought an idea to teach his sons some valuable lesson. He made a bundle of sticks and tied it together. He called his children near him and told his children to break the bundle of sticks without untying it. The sons were in dilemma. What our father is trying to say? All the sons tried to break the bundle one by one, but all of them failed. By seeing this, sick father started laughing and again said them to break the stick separately. And all of them were able to break the stick easily. And finally father said, "You see, my sons, when the sticks were tied together, none of you could break them. As soon as the bundle was untied and the sticks were separated, you break the stick without any effort." And farmer said, "Through this, I want to teach you that if you are united together, no one can harm you or break you. But if you are separated like the sticks, you will be overpowered easily." The sons realized their mistake and started living together and happily. This story teaches you the power of unity. It says that unity is strength. If we are united, no one can harm us or no one can break us. Helen Keller said, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." So be united, be happy. Thank you very much.